Welcome back to Borax Solutions. Today, we're diving into the first and arguably one of the most important steps in building machine learning models: data collection and preparation. If data is the new oil, then data collection is the drilling rig, and data preparation is the refinery. But it's not just about collecting a ton of data. It's about making sure that data is clean, usable, and ready to fuel your machine learning models. Let's get started. So, let's break it down. You can't train a machine learning model without data, right? But where does this data come from? It could be from databases, where you've stored historical data, or it could be from APIs pulling in real-time data. You could even be using data streams from IoT devices, social media feeds, or user interactions on your website. Step 1. Data collection. This is where you gather data from various sources. It sounds simple enough, but here's the catch. Just because you've collected data doesn't mean it's ready to use. This brings us to step 2, data preparation. Imagine making a smoothie. You don't just throw whole fruits in a blender. You wash them, peel them, maybe cut out the seeds. That's exactly what you do with data. Clean it, pre-process it, and get it into a format that your machine learning model can actually digest. Data preparation involves several steps: cleaning, handling missing values, removing duplicates, and addressing outliers. This ensures your data is accurate and consistent. Pre-processing, normalizing and scaling data so that it's on a consistent scale for your model. Think of this as getting all your ingredients into the right measurements for that perfect smoothie. Feature engineering, creating new features that might help your model make better predictions. For example, turning a date into a day-of-the-week feature, or calculating the time between two events. By the time you're done, you've got yourself a dataset that's clean, structured, and ready to be fed into your model. Now, let's talk about data ingestion. Automating the process of collecting data from various sources is key, especially if you're dealing with real-time data. You want to set up a pipeline that brings in data automatically, whether it's from APIs, databases, or streaming sources. It's like setting up a conveyor belt that brings fresh ingredients right to your kitchen, so you're never out of stock. Once you've got your data pipeline flowing smoothly, the next step is to version your data. That's right, data versioning isn't just for code. Versioning your datasets ensures that you can trace back to the exact dataset used for a specific model, which is crucial for reproducibility and compliance. Now, why is data preparation so important? Well, it's like they say, garbage in, garbage out. If you feed messy, inconsistent data into your model, you'll get messy, inconsistent results. Properly prepared data can make all the difference between a model that performs well and one that fails miserably. Think of it like this. Data preparation is like sharpening your tools before you start building. The sharper your tools, the better the final product. Let's talk about some common pitfalls. One of the biggest challenges is missing data. You might have gaps in your dataset, and filling them in the wrong way can lead to inaccurate models. Another challenge is data inconsistencies, like having multiple formats for the same information, which can throw your model off. That's why automating your data cleaning process is so important. With the right tools and scripts, you can ensure that your data is consistent, reliable, and ready for action. So, what's next? As data becomes more complex and the volume grows, the future of data collection and preparation lies in automation and AI-powered tools. Imagine using AI to automatically clean, pre-process, and even engineer features from your data, saving you time and improving accuracy. The goal is to make data preparation as seamless and efficient as possible, so you can focus on building and deploying great models. And as more industries rely on real-time data, streaming data pipelines will become even more critical. Whether it's monitoring IoT devices, tracking real-time customer interactions, or processing financial transactions, data collection and preparation will need to happen on the fly, because in the future, our data won't wait. In conclusion, data collection and preparation are the foundation of every successful machine learning project. It's not just about collecting as much data as possible. It's about making sure that data is clean, consistent, and ready to fuel your models. As machine learning continues to evolve, the tools and techniques for preparing data will become more powerful, but the importance of a strong foundation will never change. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into data collection and preparation. If you have any questions or want more tips on setting up your data pipelines, drop them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all the latest from Borax Solutions. Until next time, keep your data clean, your models sharp, and your innovation flowing.